Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a Burts Bees face mask today. I did not know that Burts Bees had face masks, so needless to say, when I saw these, I wanted to try them. This one is the Detoxifying Charcoal Sheet Mask, and this one is the Moisturizing Lip Mask. Now, I've never actually used a lip mask before, so I'm kind of excited to try it. It's supposed to hydrate and define your lips. I like Burt's Bees chapstick, so I'm assuming their lip mask might be something kind of like that. The Burt's Bees Detoxifying Sheet Mask is supposed to cleanse your face and help remove some of the impurities. It's got 100% natural ingredients. Let's go ahead and stop talking and just put these masks on. It doesn't really smell like anything. It kind of smells like soap. And obviously both of these masks have honey and natural ingredients in them. Burt's Bees, honey, yeah. So this is what the mask looks like. It kind of feels like a washcloth material, a really, really thin washcloth. It does not smell bad. It feels really good. It's thick. It's not slimy. Oh, you guys know how I feel about slimy. It was super easy to put on. Sometimes face masks are like really big or awkward. I guess they're more uniform that way to fit anybody. But this one really fit my face very well. I feel like I'm literally wearing a mask, like a fabric face mask, because it's so thick. I suppose while we're waiting for this, we can open up the lip one. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. This little tiny thing was in this whole package. I feel like that's a little bit much. I'm going to put the lip mask underneath the charcoal mask. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes. Okay, let's talk about the lip mask first. I love it. I know it's very tiny and comes in a pretty big package, but oh my gosh, it smells so incredible. My lips feel super, super moisturized. I'm kind of obsessed with chapstick, so I love it when my lips feel moisturized and not dry. And this is a total win-win. It is so awesome, you guys. Now, the charcoal mask, I can't honestly tell if it actually did anything or if I felt anything. I do like the material and I like the idea of it and all the natural ingredients because you don't really find face masks or other things like that very often. So I do like it. I would recommend it. I'm just not really sure exactly what it did, but maybe it's more of those long-term benefits kind of thing, not instant results. Overall, you guys, I would definitely recommend Burt's Bees products. They have so many other products like cleansers and face washes, and I'm definitely going to get my hands on those so we can try those out too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye-bye!